If you're a photographer staring down a huge wedding gallery at midnight, you already know the problem. The editing can take longer than the shoot.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Imagen is a post-production AI photo editor designed to speed up high-volume workflows by learning how you edit, then applying that style consistently across an entire job. In this video, we'll walk through what it's like to use Imagen day to day, the features that matter most, how pricing works, and what kind of support you can expect. And if you want to see the full deep dive on latest offers, including the free option, check the full review on bestreviews.net. Getting started with Imagen is all about fitting into an Adobe-centered routine, especially if you already live in Lightroom Classic. The core idea is simple. You feed Imagen a set of your past edits so it can learn the patterns you typically apply across different lighting, scenes, and skin tones. Once your profile is ready, the workflow is built around running full shoots through that profile, reviewing results, and making small refinements so the look stays true to your taste over time. If you are not ready to commit to training right away, Imagen also offers a faster entry point through light personal profiles, which requires users to upload their Lightroom preset. For high-volume work, it's helpful that Imagen also supports culling. That means the time savings can start before you even get into the develop module. And if you need a quick, client-ready sneak peek, there's an iOS app called Imagen Go that's built for fast highlights, not full gallery delivery. The headline feature here is Imagen's personal AI profile. This is what separates it from preset-style editing, because it is trained on your own past work and tries to recreate the choices you will normally make from shot to shot. To train it, Imagen requires a large batch of previously edited photos. The minimum to start training is 2,000 photos, and the recommended range is 3,000 to 5,000 for the best accuracy. Once trained, the goal is consistent results across a full gallery. Instead of tweaking one image at a time, you are reviewing a cohesive set and focusing on refinements. If you want something faster and more lightweight, light personal profiles offer a quicker setup. You bring a preset, answer a short style survey, and Imagen builds a more constrained profile around things like exposure and white balance. Then you upload your Lightroom catalog, choose which folders Imagen should account for, what editing tools to use, from cropping and straightening to masking, portrait touch-ups, and wait for the results. To review Imagen's photo editing capabilities, you can download the updated catalog from the platform and work inside Lightroom. This gives you an easy, familiar way to check the before and after results. If you're happy with the results, you can upload your final edits to feed your corrections back into your profile, helping the results gradually get closer to how you edit today, and export the final shots to a folder or gallery via direct integration with QuickTime. And if you want a ready-made look, Talent AI profiles give you purchasable styles from established photographers, with the option to test them before buying. For speed gains beyond editing, Imagen's Culling Studio is built to shrink selection time by scoring bursts, flagging obvious misses, and helping you find strong candidates faster. One more thing to keep in mind is compatibility. Imagen is clearly built for Lightroom Classic workflows, even though it can technically work with cloud-based Lightroom. This Lightroom Classic first design shows up throughout the workflow, since Imagen is meant to sit inside an Adobe-centered editing routine. Because it's cloud-based, Imagen sends edits to remote servers. That helps with processing power, but it also means you need a stable internet connection for the workflow to run smoothly. If you ever need fast previews, Imagen Go on iOS is designed for quick line sneak peeks, so you can deliver a few polished photographs while away from your desk. Imagen uses a flexible, credit-based pricing structure, and there is a free way to get started. You can start for free with no credit card required, and the free plan includes 1,500 free edits. That is a practical way to test the workflow and see if the results match your style. If you want to subscribe, the main option is pay as you go. It charges 5 cents per photo, plus a small 1 cent per use fee for optional advanced AI tools. This plan includes unlimited AI profiles, access to the Talent AI profile library, and cloud storage. There is also a $7 minimum monthly charge that converts to credits, and remaining credits roll over for future use. For higher volume photographers, Imagen offers annual bundles, where you buy larger blocks of credits up front. The best savings come with the 72K plan for $240 per month, with a 20% discount. It is also worth noting that some add-ons are priced separately. Culling is available as a separate subscription for $12 per month, and cloud storage is priced based on the storage tier, starting at $3 for 500 GB, with a free 100 GB offer for 3 months on paid plans. For self-serve help, Imagen offers a robust set of resources, including FAQs, getting started content, troubleshooting guides, a blog, a podcast, and a Facebook community. If you need a person, support was quick and easy to reach in our experience. After submitting the contact form on the website, we received a reply in under 30 minutes. That kind of response time matters for photographers who are often working under tight delivery deadlines. Imagen is also active on major social platforms including Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, X, and more. Imagen is a strong fit for photographers who want to move faster without losing a consistent look across an entire shoot. The personal AI profile can learn your style and help you get more consistent edits across full galleries. And Imagen's built-in culling can speed up the photo selection process before you even start editing. Plus, if you want a quicker start, Light personal profiles let you jump in without training a full profile up front. And Imagen Go on iOS is useful for quick client sneak peeks when you are away from your desk. On the flip side, Imagen is cloud-based, so a stable internet connection is a must. Also, with a pay-as-you-go pricing plus add-ons like culling and storage, it can feel like a premium investment if you do not edit often. Imagen is best for high-volume photographers who want style-matched consistency and meaningful time savings. As always, check our written review on bestreviews.net for more information and up-to-date offers. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!